Louie, you ignoring me? Where you heading? Huh? Where you heading? You look mighty handsome. Are you going to invite people to church tomorrow? Huh? That is exciting, isn't it? Huh? Mary, are you hopeful that people will come to church tomorrow? You look so good. Okay, let's finish the door, okay? Hey, you little flopper ball. What? We got work to do. Hey. Yeah, we got work to do. Come on. Well, I've done all the work, Louie. Mommy's done. Did you get everything done you needed to get done? Is there more you needed to color? Oh, that was exhausting, huh? You had a lot to do while Mommy was busy. Are you ready to go? Huh? Is this everybody's personal invitation to come tomorrow? Or you better get that filled back? Oh, the whole thing fell out the bottom, Louie. How'd you do that? That was crazy, wasn't it? Yeah. I seen it. Are you done? Are you still coloring? You got more to color? Here. Don't eat it, Louie. Don't put it in your mouth. Louis. Louis! Lucifer! You don't belong in the church the way you're acting, little boy. Better mind. Not in your mouth. Want to color? No, Louis. Do you hear me? Mommy will take them. Can I have that? I'll throw it away for you, okay? So you weren't done? Well, you were acting like you were done. Here, if you're not done. Don't wad it up. Don't eat it. Louie, here. Color. Louie, no. Not in your mouth. No. I'm serious. I'm talking to you, not the back. Louis. It's not the vacuum I'm talking to. It's you, little boy. Yeah. It's you, young man. It's not that vacuum. Come on, let's put stuff up. What'd you do with that crayon?